these two are the famous machine learning models that are used to predict the effluent characteristics of a WTP in a whole, and thus we thought we can adopt the same for MBRs. So this is the result that we gathered from the MBR plant. So if you can see, we have an R-square value of 0.75 and 0.59 in the linear regression model, whereas in the other two models it has been very low. So this shows that linear regression is a better model fit for estimating effluent COD and nitrate nitrogen when compared to the other two models. And this is the R-square parameter. If you see the other two parameters, which is RMSE, root mean square error, and mean absolute error, these are also relatively low when compared to the other. So these are also relatively low when compared to RF and XGBoost method. So this shows that linear regression is a better fit for the database that we have. So if you can see here, the blue color is actual COD value from the training data, and the trend line of it decreasing is only followed by the linear regression model, but the other two models are not able to complete the trend lines entirely. So the conclusions we drew from this is basically we evaluated the parameters that we had, we put it into 3 machine learning models, and we found that linear regression was a better fit, whereas the other two models, which is RF method and XGBoost, didn't give preferred results. And in future, what we do is either we expand the data set, so that this was collected for only 28 days, for a month. So we expand the data set and try out different models, because these two models are chosen only because of literature. So these are the references used, and thank you all for listening. So before finishing off, I would like to leave you guys with a food for thought question. So this is one of the statements about AI which was told by a stand-up comedian. Humans are smart enough to invent AI, dumb enough to need it, and so stupid we cannot figure out if it is the right thing. Think over it. Thank you so much.
What could be the reason for the low correlation in the two XGBoost and random forest?
So
because you use the same set of data.
So probably linear regression is basically the simplest one, which basically if one increases, the other increases. So this thing. Random forest, those both are actually ensembling models. So probably because they might require larger data set than what we fed in, that could be a reason. But other than that, I am not very sure.
Larger data set. So did you try to create some more dummy data?
No, we did not create any dummy data. In fact, probably if we restore the plant, which is little abandoned right now, and then collect a larger data set, then we feed into different models. So that is something that we look forward to do in the future. We might get more comprehensive results. This was the initial result, like linear regression fits best.